First go to the file and choose open. Select this cat image, click open. Now open the channels panel, select the blue channel, let's duplicate this channel. Now go to the image, adjustments and choose levels. Adjust these input levels like this. Click OK. Take the brush tool, set the foreground color to black, click OK. Now apply the black color like this. Now click on load channel as selection option below, go to select and choose inverse. Open the layers panel, click on add layer mask option here. Let's see the final result.